you've seen the YouTube videos. A guy puts stuff in a blender that should not be put in a blender. We got your glow sticks, light bulbs, video camera, baseball, a new way of putting together Rubik's Cube. And who could forget this brand new iPhone? Dixon is a marketing genius. He sells his industrial strength blenders by filming them as they grind up the known world. But how does a blender really blend? What goes on inside the blades?
Oh, this is fun.
We know you've always asked yourself one burning question. Why, no matter what speed you run a blender, does some stuff just refuse to go down and get ground?
So how fast is this blade?
This is 10,000 frames per second right there.
Boom. When the blender runs at maximum speed, the blade bounces the gumballs upward rather than letting them fall into the cutting path. Easy to see at 10,000 frames per second.
3, 2, 1. Yes! I'm glad we moved back because that's going 3 feet off the table on the side.
7 exploding lighters would bust most blenders apart, but this one is made of the same material used for bulletproof glass.
In the background underneath there, the blender's still blending.
Blender's still blending away. Look at,
Oh, man.